Good afternoon. Hope that all of you are safe at home. Generally, schools in the Gulf region do not close for summer vacation in the month of March. So, when the COVID 19 pandemic hit the world, schools in this region started thinking of online classes and they started organizing online classes. Most of such schools might have completed running online classes for 3 or 4 months now, and they have started thinking of conducting some sorts of examination. It may be midterm exam or a half yearly exam, and that may be held in the month of August or September. So I am going to share some examination tips or general knowledge which will be useful for the students of class 7 and 8. Hope that you all will listen. What do you see now? It's the Supreme Court of India. Let us try to learn something about the Supreme Court and the Chief Justice of India. The Supreme Court is the premier judicial court under the Constitution of India. You can see Muhammad Hidayatullah on the left side. Dr. Zakir Hussain died when he was the president in 1969. Then the then Vice President B.B. Giri became the acting president. Later, B.B. Giri resigned from both offices as acting president and vice president. And then Hidayatullah served as the president of India for a short period. And why did Hidayatullah become the president of India, or how could he serve as the president of India? In the absence of the president of India and vice president of India, the Chief Justice of India will serve as the president of India, and thus Hidayatullah became the president in late 1960s. And you can see on the right side S.A. Bobde. He is the current Chief Justice of India, and he has been serving as the current Chief Justice of India from November 2019. According to Class 7 NCERT Civics textbook, India is the fourth largest producer of medicines. But depending upon the data which was collected during the year 2019, India is the 11th largest producer of medicines in the world now. Germany is the largest producer of medicines in the world. When the facts remain so, the United States of America has the largest pharmaceutical market in the world with a value that you can see there, followed by Japan, and its value also is there, and China. So what you have to understand is US has the largest pharmaceutical market in the world. United States of America has the largest pharmaceutical market in the world. Here you can see a map of India. What I want to show you now is Pala's kingdom, and it included Pala's kingdom included parts of present-day Bengal, Bihar and Odisha, and even some parts of Nepal. Hope that it is clear to you. You have studied about Sultan Mahmud of Ghazni. He ruled from 997 to 1030. The region which he ruled included Central Asia, Iran, parts of Indian subcontinent and all. So many of you will be thinking, where is this Central Asia? And I want to show you that. Central Asia is bordered by Caspian Sea in the west, China and Mongolia in the east. So you can see this region between Caspian Sea and China and Mongolia in the west-east direction. And see Russia in the north. Central Asia is bordered by Russia in the north and Iran and Afghanistan in the south. So this region is Central Asia. And Mahmud Ghazni ruled over parts of Central Asia, Iran and parts of Indian subcontinent. But he was never the ruler of Egypt. That means Egypt was never controlled by Sultan Mahmud of Ghazni as a ruler.